Hi there, Andrew from ATR Plumbing, and today I'm doing a review of the Optimaxx wood screws which have been sent to me by Tool Talk. This is the second box I've been sent. The first box I've been using for the last few months. Very good screws, very impressed. They have a self-tapping start, very sharp, and the threads are nice and open so they go in, no trouble. They've got a countersunk head so they sink into the wood for a nice flat finish. This is, for a comparison, it's just a cheap normal screw, nothing special, like zinc coated. So obviously there's a lot more manufacturing gone into the Optimaxx screw. And then just to give you a demonstration, so this is putting the Optimaxx screw in. We've just got a bit of 4x2 soft wood here, quite standard. So no trouble there at all. And then this is like just a normal screw. So a bit more resistance there. Had to work a bit harder the drill, but if you see the finish on the wood, the standard screws, you know, sticking out a little bit. The Optimaxx is actually driven in. So yeah, very good screws. Very impressed with them. I'd highly recommend them. So thank you again.